Hey guys, welcome to day 7 of 100 days of code. Now, today we have a whole day dedicated to a really cool project. And what we're going to be building throughout this day is basically Hangman, or the code equivalent of this game. So the way the game works is you have to guess a word, and for every wrong letter you submit, you end up taking a life away from this little man. And of course, the longer it takes you to get to the word, the more you put your little man in danger. This is what the final completed project is going to look like. We're going to have some really cool ASCII art, like this Hangman logo up here, and it's going to ask us to guess a letter. So let's try A. And you can see that's not in the word, so we lose a life, and it starts drawing our little hangman. So let's try another letter. E. There's a lot of E's in there, so we managed to get that. Let's try a T. And I think I know what the word is now, just before my little man is going to die. I think it's beekeeper. There we go, we got it. So if we had lost just one more life, the leg would have been added and we would have lost, but we managed to get there in the end. So this is what the completed game looks like and how it plays out. And you can go over to the final URL and run the code and see it in action if you want to. But just by building this game, we're going to be able to review and test ourselves on a bunch of concepts that we've already covered, like for and while loops, or if and else statements, lists, strings, the range function, modules, and much, much more. So I hope you're as excited as I am to get started on this project. And once you're ready, head over to the next lesson and let's begin.